Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and we're going to show you around this stylish Renault Twingo. So this car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, you get DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, air conditioning, there's cruise control. The car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has two previous owners, comes with a 1 litre petrol engine, it gives you 69 horsepower, done under 33,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.